fluctuations depending on market segment, geography. That's there. Just a few words before we speak about the products about us. I mean, we are the textile business for EFI, and we manufacture, design, develop, sell, and markets everything from Italy, from Bergamo, from Comunuovo, but in our new facility that we opened in 2023, 20,000 square meters. We are more than 150 people, and we are very proud, especially of our customer experience center, because in our markets, we really believe in meeting customer requirements, trying to find solution for them. So we have 3,000 square meters of customer experience center where we have all our printers. But it's not only to show the printers, it's actually to make trials with customers, to get fabrics, to try to understand what we want to achieve, especially in new applications. And we are investing a lot in new applications and trying to find finding a solution for them. So we are very, very proud of our 3,000 square meters customer experience center. Of course, we do believe in eco-sustainability. So the entire the plant is powered by solar panels. And with the solar power, we cover 60% of total energy in average. Actually, in December, we sell it back to the network. We don't make much money, but at least we help the community. And also, I mean, it has been designed to reduce light irradiation. We sell, I mean, complete solutions. We sell complete solutions. So what Reggiani is offering is a full range of digital printer, then a full range of water-based inks when reactive to acid to pigment sublimation with direct disperse, and then a very strong, I think it's important, it's very, very important for us, very strong service organization. And service is not only spare parts, it's service about service agreement, it's software tools, it's service contracts, but also upgrades, because we still believe in that very strongly, and that matches with what we were before. When I speak with our sales guys to customers, the message I try to give them is, again, we don't believe in disposable products made with disposable printers. We believe in solid, reliable, high-quality products made with reliable, long-term living, solid printers. And our printers, they live in time. We do service upgrade, and we can today, and we have a very success story of many installation already executed. We take a printer of 10 years ago that is mechanically super solid with electronics that, of course, electronics changes, electronics becomes obsolete. I mean, chips becomes obsolete, software improves, connectivity improves, the web came. I mean, a lot of things have changed, and we basically replaced the electronic only to the existing printer, and basically the customer gets with an investment of, I would say, 1/10 of a new printer, because he can have a solid mechanical and printing engine that's intense in very good conditions. So when I say again to our customers, I mean, especially entrepreneurs that were on their own family business, if you want to buy a printer that you can leave to your children, you need to buy a Reggiani, because that's a long-term investment. So service is very important. In the macro trend, the key word for us is pigment. So I will mainly speak about pigment today, and then at the end, just a few highlights in our traditional products. Pigment for us now it's a fact, because now it's 10 years that we are selling pigment printers, different generations of ink volumes and printers, and now we have our pigment printers everywhere in the world, really everywhere in the world. So we have a presence of our pigment solution everywhere in the world. And this is basically, in a snapshot, our full range products. So we go from very small printers like Next Plus up to the iPad, and in parallel to our traditional product range, we developed, and we will see our pigments innovation product range that is the EcoTerra. We launched 2 years ago now EcoTerra Gold, the first all-in-one pigment solution, a solution that allowed with one printer to have a full solutions that allow customer to have pre-treatment, avoid steaming, avoid stamping. So pigment replace reactive and allows with EcoTerra to have one-stop shop, one printer, one all-in-one solution. Read something from here. Use the mouse. Okay. And what we achieved with the EcoTerra range? We achieved a substantial savings in terms of consumption that is good for us, that we buy clothes or complex products. It's good for the environment. It's also good for the customer, our producer, because savings in some ways, saving of water, saving of energy, saving of chemicals, and saving of space, and saving of inventories means also saving of money and profit and loss for them. So with the EcoTerra, we achieved 90% cost water consumption reduction to a traditional digital printer. That's basically instead two order of magnitude if we compare it with a rotary production. With energy, we achieve at least 60% less energy consumption. We achieve 75% less chemical consumption, and this what we show to the customers when they come to our demo center, to our customer experience center. Is we show it with the fact, we show it with the measurement, we show it with making trials for them and giving the facts. Because very complex, at least 50% less space, because of course the only construction it's much easier. EcoTerra, the EcoTerra Gold was available in a variety of fibers that of course we are working to expand, to add it more options to our customer, cotton, viscose, linen, also blends, main blends and polyamide. And this is very important, wide range of applications, because this is maybe not so much fashion, but it's all textile, it's baby wear, it's accessories, outdoor applications. This customer that he makes umbrella, very nice colored umbrella, and many other applications. Actually, I mean, one of our strategy focus is really, I mean, finding with customers new applications. That's, I mean, one of our key mission as a person. Certifications. Certification is very important for the market, for the customer. We cover all the key certification without any missing. This is the experience of our Mexican, North American, United States customers. That of our volumes and most of our demand is reactive. Also with extra, we have extra running with reactive, we are extra running with pigments. Extra instead it's 12, it's 48 heads, but basically it's 12 colors. So extra matches with hyper, because when productivity is not the main focus, but quality and color gamut, it's the main focus. Then with 12 channels, you may have 12 colors, different colors. So you may have the traditional 8 plus light colors, or, and we use it a lot, we can use a few of the additional channels to apply chemistry. For instance, penetrative chemistry to allow the ink to go on the other side and to create the kind of double side, or anyway, special treatment chemistry that we can apply with the additional heads. So these are our two printers. We are very, very proud that are still very best in class on the market. But we know that the market is going in a different, it's evolving, and we are leading the evolution. We are not following the evolution. We are in advance with the evolution. That's why, I mean, our folks today, what I wanted to tell you is about pigment, about the new space. You can visit us at all four, you can see. And I believe, Martina, that with this QR code, you can download the documentation, the brochure, or additional information. But then, of course, if you have questions now, but also if you have more questions later, we can come at our stands, and we will be very, very pleased to explain you everything